Let's talk hot tub water. So you've had a hot tub for a little while. It smells. The water's cloudy. You're dealing with foam. And you've got this sandpaper stuff that's on the sides of your hot tub and on the bottom. And you're just really not sure what in the world to do with it. Well, if you go to waterschoice.com and you go to their frequently asked questions page and you click on spa care, you're going to find a world of information that's going to help you. Another thing that you can try is if you haven't ever used enzymes, you might start now. Water's Choice carries a really neat kit in a 1 month, a 3 month, and a 6 month kit. Inside, you're going to find Water's Choice enzymes for spas, pH up, pH down. You're going to find a little bottle of sanitizer, and last but not least, testing strips. I think one of the main things that people forget to do when they get a hot tub is test the water. Super important. How can you treat it if you don't know what's wrong with it? Use your testing strips. See if you need to bring your pH up. See if you need to bring your pH down. Use your recommended dosages of enzymes, and it's going to make your life a lot simpler. Go to www.waterschoice.com and get yours ordered.